Arcade1up is here with a quick Arcade1 update. It's been a while since I made a video. I've had this arcade cabinet now for a little over a month. I bought this October 22nd, 2018. And everything so far has been great with the cabinet. You got my plastic cover, but I just noticed something today when I turned it on, and that was a slight distortion with the sound. I don't know if you can hear that, but I can definitely hear it with I can definitely hear it when the bass blows up. Let's see if I can play a few see if I can play this through with one hand just to show you the problems here. I usually don't like doing this with one hand, but there's no one here to help me. Moment, and I do not have a tripod. Damn it. Okay. Now listen very close. See, you hear that? That doesn't seem normal to me. Anyway, I just I wrote to Arcade1up, sent him a picture of the receipt and of the arcade cab, and if they need to see the video, I can show them this. But everything else seems to be good. My centipede cab is still working pretty good. No problems with the centipede cab, and I'm really happy with the purchase, and I'm actually tempted at getting the Pac-Man cab tomorrow because of the Black Friday sale. It was $249, and because of Walmart's constant screw up with pre-orders, I have another $50 gift card, so under $200. Plus, I have a 10% off coupon that Walmart gave me back when I got the Centipede cab, or was trying to pick up the Asteroids. So anyway, that's just my quick Arcade1up update. Slowly rearranging the room so we can make this into a game room. I don't know if last time you guys saw this, but it was like blankets everywhere, so now we got cleared out futon, a chair, we have some stools, and then it's pretty much wide open, and I think I'll just put the Pac-Man maybe here or here, and then I can put in some disco lights, maybe some 80s posters. I have, some puzzles, which isn't really fitting for a arcade room. I have some 80s posters, Back to the Future posters, stuff like that. But overall, the room's slowly coming together. Just gotta figure out what to do with it. But let's see what Arcade1up can do. Alright, Arcade1up out.